Okay, so I'm doing some more work on my file uploader here, and I was testing the responsive ability of the thing, and I managed to discover this scenario where the image can overflow the parent. Now, the paragraph is set to display flex. I don't know if that is part of what's causing this. Not the overflow, but what I'm about to show you. Setting anything for overflow on an image element stops it from overflowing there. So there it is without any overflow set. Auto, hidden, overlay, scroll. Okay, visible and inherit. Revert, unset. So those kind of aren't surprising, I guess, but scroll, overlay, hidden, auto. Set any of those, and it no longer overflows. Let's try. Yeah, that kind of makes a mess of things, and it's not overflowing. I don't know. I just thought that was interesting enough. I'd make a quick video on it.